Today, we are going to go eat, and then I'm gonna go find my friend Brandon, and he's gonna go shopping, and we're gonna go to watch Hamilton tonight.
This is Earth Radio, and now here's human music.
Hey guys, look at where I'm at. It's Nintendo. Oh whoa, look who this is. What? What? Whoa, 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 whoa. Hey what? Brandon, sup? Okay, let's go in.
Stranger danger.
Whoa, 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 whoa. Ladies first.
Pearl before swine. Those are the ugliest things ever made in creation.
No. Wait, where is Umbreon?
No, that's over here. No, that's me. That's
Guys, where is Umbreon?
It's racist.
It's racist. Look at all these people playing. That's Toad's treasure. Yeah,
Toad's treasure hunt.
yeah, that game. Guys, look. Look at this Game Boy. It's still functioning. It's playing Tetris.
Show them the tab.
It's a Game Boy damaged in the Gulf War. This is so cool. Dude, I wonder if the buttons still work, or do they just like fuse together? Right?
Nintendo, Labo.
Spokesperson. Look what we're getting. I got this bottle. It says Nintendo New York, and I need a bottle anyways, and it's a very nice bottle. It's yeah, don't look at the price.
I got a cat. A cat.
He's got a new pet now. What are you gonna name it?
Pushkin.
What?
Pushkin.
Okay, it's called Pushkin now. Look at him. Look at this boy. We just had an intense Rocket League session in Starbucks. We finally, no. You have to focus on the one time we won. We won against the pros. And now we're going back to Times Square. We're just gonna browse around, chill, and look for some cool stuff. And
What?
what do we do?
Well, we went too far uptown. By 2 stops. So we are
We're
at Hunter
here now.
College.
We need to go there. We started here. Where? Here?
Started at 2nd Avenue. Right here.
We were here, and we were supposed to go here, but now we're here because we're smart boys. Bro. Fine.
Alright, my man.
And you excited?
Yeah, sure.
Dad, are you excited?
Yeah.
Guys, look at where we're at. Oh my god, it's Hamilton. What do you have?
Just a bit of beverage for the Hamilton show.
Look at where we are.
Play game.
Guys, I just finished Hamilton. It was amazing. And you might notice I have my glasses on to take deadly aim. And also I bought this hoodie. Look at this. Hamilton hoodie. It is an amazing musical. You guys all should watch it. It is so good.